Hi, let me show you how to airdrop large files on iPhone. So for that, as a first step, we need to go ahead and open Settings and now find Bluetooth in the list. So you need to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and in that case, you will see that the switch is green just like in my case. Great. After that, just find General section, tap on AirDrop, and you will see three options: receiving off, context only, and everyone for 10 minutes. So, to turn on AirDrop and be able to transfer large files, you need to select one of those two options. If you're planning to transfer files with your friends or people in your contacts list, then you can easily choose context only. But it is better to choose everyone for 10 minutes just in case. Great, now we can just go back and make sure that Bluetooth and AirDrop are turned on other device as well. Also, you can turn it on or off through Control Center, so swipe down from top right corner, tap on Square section, tap AirDrop, and also pick one of those two options so the icon will be blue. Now all is left is to select file you want to share with. I'm gonna go in my photos and let's send, for example, this video. For that, I just need to click on the share icon on the bottom, tap AirDrop, and just wait till I can see the name of the person with whom I want to share some files. So when you see this info, no people found, that means that it cannot detect device with AirDrop turned on. So you can just reset it on other device, and then you should see the name of the phone in this list. So if it is the right name, then just click it, and on other device we'll see this pop-up window to decline or accept a file. In my case, it is a video. So I'm gonna accept it. And now it will be transferred just in few seconds. So yep, here it is. You can do the same with not just photos or videos, but maybe notes or something from your Files app if needed. Just find the share icon. So find this share icon, also pick AirDrop and select people in the list. So basically that's it for today. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.